Let's talk about conscious intelligence. What is it? Why is it so powerful? Well, before we define conscious intelligence, let's set the table first. The lens through which all of us see the world is formulated through our experiences, our circumstances, whether chosen or not, some that we create, some that others create. These experiences shape our thoughts, beliefs, perceptions, memories, opinions, biases, right? Your childhood, where you grew up, your religion, education, interests. These all constitute the lens through which we view and experience our life. The way we think, believe, act, react, consume, function, engage, collaborate, all inform the life that we live into. The thing is, we are not our circumstances. That's the first premise of conscious intelligence. And there is much power in making the distinction that we are not our circumstances. We are not defined by our circumstances. Our circumstances are not us. Now, the second premise involves peeling back another layer with regards to our circumstances. Our circumstances are not only the situation around us, they are the situation in us. You know, the inner voice, our thoughts, our fears. They are the situations that got us here to this point in our life. And they are key to getting us where we want to go. So, having clarity and perspective with respect to our circumstances is pretty important. How we see the world has a lot to do with how we participate in it. So to summarize the two premises I just outlined, the perspective from which we view our circumstances and the manner in which we approach them determines our conscious intelligence. So when does conscious intelligence really become a powerful tool in our life? Well, how about when our circumstances become unstable, disrupted, even hijacked? Ever experienced these things? What occurs when these irritants are present? Well, we react rather than respond. We make hasty decisions rather than informed ones. The common result is typically not optimal. Ever regretted having made a hasty decision? When we reach overwhelm, be it with anxiety, stress, high pressure, it can be described as the fog of war. Our brain reacts, employing the same channel it uses when trying to survive. You've heard of fight and flight. This is it. In survival, we perceive that we are purely in a defensive posture. We're not strategizing, we're struggling. We're not swimming to shore, we're just trying not to drown. Accessing the tools that address how we conduct ourselves in every circumstance to bring about an optimal outcome makes us masters of our circumstances rather than a slave to them. Conscious intelligence is the ability to gain mastery over our circumstances. The conscious intelligence paradigm is the navigational instrumentation to meet that objective out in the world, in life, at work, at home. My name is Erenstoft, and this is elevated.org.